Hey guys, this is Mike from Beat Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the SoundPeats Air5 Pro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a new item for unboxing here. It is a new pair of headphones that they did send out to me. This is the SoundPeats Air5 Pro, and again, I will be repeating some of this from the actual website here, but these are IPX5 waterproof or water resistant headphones, and they have Qualcomm Snapdragon sound. So that definitely, I guess, lured me to this because I did want to check them out. So again, high-res audio wireless LLC. Let me take a look back here. Let's see, Bluetooth version 5.4. We're just reading off some of the stuff here. Frequency range from 20 hertz to 40 kilohertz. Maximum working distance is 10 meters. Playtime about 7.5 hours, up to 37 hours with the charging case. So that's pretty cool. Like, let's say you go on a trip, you're on a plane or whatever. Again, stick these back in the little case and you get more charging time. The battery capacity is only 35 milliamps. But the charging case itself is 520 milliamps. So definitely interested to see what these look like and sound like. Let's go ahead and unbox these. It's still in the plastic, but I did cut a little bit of a seam here. And we have more information on the side. So again, guys, from the making of this video, also you will get a discount code on the bottom in the description there. So check out the description for the discount code. I will be posting an Amazon affiliate link with this. And there is two color versions of this. There's a black version and there's a white version. I believe they sent me the white version, but I could be wrong because sometimes the box could be misleading. But just take a look here. 10 millimeter of dynamic driver, hybrid active noise cancellation, and again 37 hours of playtime. Let's go ahead and let's pop this out. I mean, the packaging is nice, so definitely like the packaging, and they do look very similar to, you know, AirPods or AirPod Pros. Here you go. Definitely not a bad looking case. Let's go ahead and open this up really quick, and before we get that going, let's go ahead and take a look to see what's inside the box. There's got to be something in here. You know, here we go. Looks like we do have more little ear things for your ears, the little pads for the ears, and it looks like charging cable is going to be USB-C, which is good, right? I'm happy to see that you know, these items, you know, are USB Type-C. Let's go ahead and put the box back together here. Luckily, I have a million Type-C cables. So just looking back at the case here, again, it's a matte white. Let's see if we can get this off here. That's the hard part about this, guys, is getting stuff like this off, even though it's probably super simple. You know, you think it is, but it's not. There we go. It's actually really simple. I just had to pull it off like that. Embarrassing. That's okay, guys. So anyways, let's get a quick look at this really quick, guys. I do want to take a little screenshot there so I can use that as a thumbnail possibly. All right, and then we can always do that again later. But anyways, whoa, okay, totally dropped that. All right, so they did pop out of my hands, as you saw there. Apologies on the video there. Let's go look around here really quick. You can see that there is a little, the charging port is on the bottom with a button. I'm assuming that button, once you hit it, it does, you know, activate the charging. Again, I was trying to get it open, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look here. Like I said, as you can see here, you know, it has a very nice presentation, first of all. Let's just look at this one really quick. As you can see here, it does have a little bit of a kind of like a silver trim border on the outside. Again, it looks very nice. Let's take a look and let's take a look. Okay, it just pops in just like this. So very easy to take in and out. Same thing with this one. You can kind of see there the inner part of the ears. So very nice looking pair of headphones. I mean, I can't complain so far. I mean, this is actually one of the more expensive headphones that I've ever been sent. You know, you know, I've definitely worked with a lot of other brands that have sent me out headphones, but you know, these are probably one of the higher quality ones that I have seen and unboxed. And again, just again, a heads up for the price, guys. You're looking to pay Right now they are on sale on Amazon, $59.99 for the black version, and the white version is a little more expensive at $63.99. But again, these are marked down from $79, so original price is $79.99. So again, I'm gonna try to get a discount code for you guys included in the description, so you guys can get another additional percent off your headphones here if you guys decide to order using my link. Again, and if anyone orders, I greatly appreciate it. And if you order using the link, put it in the comment down section below. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, let's go ahead and see if we can get these set up here, guys. I do have my iPhone 13 here to try to get this set up for you guys. Let me just go ahead and get the Bluetooth settings on really quick. So again, I am going to pull this off really quick. This is like the little thing to deactivate, like the charging, I guess, the little plastic thing. So there's the first one, and again, I am gonna hit the case again, see if that works or does anything. So hopefully that kind of activates the Bluetooth. Really, I'm just kind of milking it right now, guys, as far as the activation goes. I might have to put them back in the case and then open them up again. Let me go ahead and take this off also while we're doing that. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. Again, definitely haven't posted a lot of unboxing videos lately. I do apologize. I've had family vacations. I had family come into town recently, and there we go. Let's see. All right, so again, if you have an iPhone or similar to Android, you're just going to go ahead and click it, and it says connected. So let's go ahead, and I want to say this is the left ear, and I'm just going to leave the left ear in really quick, guys. And you know, I'm gonna have to add music or whatever to this, but let's see if we can get this changed out here really quick for you guys. Okay, guys, so I'm actually gonna play some stuff from YouTube here. Not gonna be the music that you hear, but I do want to play a little bit of music here in the background just so we can kind of get the gauge of what's happening. So let me go ahead and click it. So far the noise canceling is working pretty good, although I could tell, okay, now that I push this one in a little more, it's a little better. But yeah, let me go ahead and get the music started for you guys. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna pause or something really quick, I guess. Not pause, but I'm pausing the music here. Okay, so let's get as far as the sound quality goes of these headphones, guys. I'm gonna tell you right now that the bass sounds really good and clear, but I'm actually getting more treble than anything else from the actual headphones. They do sound very high quality. Like, everything does sound very crisp and clear. This is actually probably the best pair of headphones that I've ever had. That's a Bluetooth pair of headphones. So just again, for listening like 15-20 seconds, it sounds extremely good. Okay, guys, so you know, just looked it up on the actual Amazon page that you can actually download a Peats audio utility app. This allows you to customize the sound on the headphones, which is even better. It's probably going to ask me to do a bunch of stuff, right, as far as that goes. But let's see if I could just let's see, enter app. Let's see if it recognizes everything. It looks like I am going to have to register. Is there a way around this? I hope not. Let's see. Agree and continue. No, I guess I'm going to have to register this, unfortunately, guys. Let me go ahead and do that really quick for you. All right, so we are back into the app, guys. So let's see. It says SoundPeats, which again, I have the white version. I'll go ahead and click that. Let's say extended warranty. Okay, yada yada yada. I'll exit that for now because they did send me this, so I don't have an actual Amazon order number. But it looks here that, again, there is a little bit of options that you get here with this. Disable touch controls. There's a game mode. There is dual device connection down here. Customized touch controls. So it looks like, you know, there's a lot of different things that you can do here. Can I just click? Let's see. Device information, firmware upgrade. So they do have a firmware upgrade, which you can do later on. I guess that's pretty cool. Switch headphone prompt tone. Let me see. Okay, that's fine. Leave it in English. I definitely want it in English. Okay, they want to use, well, okay, I'll just allow them while I'm using the app. So device connection. But yeah, here we go. There's the little area on the bottom. That little equalizer button down there allows you to enhance. You know, there's an adaptive equalizer, right, which again, put on the earbuds to test in quiet environments, stop any currently playing sounding audio or video, yada yada yada. So that I'll go ahead and leave off for now. But right now it says the classic stuff is enhanced. Let me do bass boost just to see. And again, there is a customization, but let me see if the bass reduction does anything there. I can tell a little bit that the bass sounds a little bit better, but right now the audio, the treble is so much higher than the actual bass. Let me see. Let me see. I mean, don't get me wrong, it sounds good. I want a little bit more bass. So, okay, we'll leave it like that for now. So it definitely does lower the treble a tad bit when it comes to the actual headphone sound. And I guess anyone can just kind of go back in there and do it a little bit later on. They can check that out themselves, and you can actually customize and create, you know, your audio levels just by doing that. And again, you know, you would have to mess around with that to your liking, right? Again, I'm not too familiar. This reminds me of Winamp, you know, when you had the Winamp player and you would have to mess around with the little equalizers to make sure you got it sounding the way you want it to sound. But anyways, guys, let me go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts. Let me go ahead and take the earbud out of my ear, and let's put it back in the case. Let's see, it says allow Pete's audio to use your location even while not using the app. Keep to only while using. Okay, not that they need to know where I am all the time, but for the most part, guys, again, you know, these headphones do have a very crisp sound. I just probably need to go in there and edit the audio quality as far as the bass goes, because again, the treble on the video, or the audio, I'm sorry, seem to be a little overbearing. But again, the sound quality does sound great, guys. And again, I'm going to give you guys a custom link down here below so that you guys can check the earphones out yourself, get yourself a discount. Again, they're under $100, guys. So again, these are, you know, again, meant to, you know, rival, you know, headphones like, you know, Apple AirPods, or, you know, Samsung AirPods as well, you know, probably Beats as well. Definitely has the Beats vibe because of the name of the actual app. It's called, you know, SoundPeats, or the app is just called Peats, which rhymes with beats, right? So again, just to give you guys a little more information before we close out here on the video. Again, thank you all for watching. Smash that like button, please, for, you know, the algorithm, and please comment down below in the comments. So again, guys, just a little bit more specs. Again, these do have adaptive AI hybrid active noise canceling, up to 55 decibels. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon sound with aptX lossless and LDAC. 10 millimeter driver delivers powerful bass, which again, guys, it does have good bass. Again, I just need to fix that on my end. Wind noise resistance and 6 mics, CVC 8.0 AI CALL. Again, I'm just reading from the website here itself. Again, 37 hours of playtime and quick charge time as well. It says experience up to 7.5 hours of battery in a single charge. So again, if you're on a plane or flight or traveling, you know, and you're using this consistently, watching a movie or something, or YouTube videos, you are going to have to charge this after about 7 hours. Multi-point connection and IPX5 waterproof. Again, Bluetooth 5.4, and again, with an IPX5 waterproof rating, these Bluetooth earbuds are protected by mesh and nano coating, resisting sweat and moisture. It is ideal It's a deal for workouts and outdoor use. And again, custom sounds with the Peats audio app, which I just showed you guys. Make sure you use the app if you want to customize your audio experience using the Peats audio app. So check that out, guys. And again, I really appreciate you all checking out the video here. Please smash the like button again. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.